Some very simple sums. Here we have a question. It says state which pairs of triangles are similar, right? Write the similarity criterion used by you for answering the question, and also write the pairs of similar triangles in the symbolic form, right? Now let's understand this. For this, first we have the first question is this. Now first we need to say which pairs of triangles are similar. Are they similar, right? We need to check that. Then we need to know by which criteria, and we need to write that they are similar. First let's check. If you look at these two triangles, we have only information about angles given to us, right? So there is no information about sides. So second one, that is SSS criteria, is gone, and SAS is also gone. So we have to focus only about the first one, that is AAA, or we say AA criteria, right? Here if you see in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, we have that angle A we know is nothing but, in that triangle, right, we have that to be 60 degree, and angle P is also 60. That means we can say angle A is equal to angle P is equal to 60 degree. Same way we have angle B is equal to angle Q is equal to 80 degree, and angle C is equal to angle R is equal to 40 degree, right? So that means here in these two triangles we have all the three pairs of corresponding angles equal. That means, are the triangles similar? Yes, they are similar, right? The triangles are similar, but the triangles are similar by which criterion? They are similar. Yes, we know it is AAA criterion of similarity, right? That is what we write there. They are similar, and they are similar by AAA criterion, right? You can write by AA criterion also, only if you consider the two pairs of corresponding angles. That is also correct, right? Now let's take one more example on the same concept, right? Observe this now. Here what we have is, we have triangle DEF and triangle PQR given to us. Again, we don't have any information about the sides, so we have to focus only on the angles. So if you observe, angle E is equal to angle Q, 80, 80. But angle D should be equal to angle P, but it's not known. Angle F here should be equal to angle R, but R is known, but F is not known. That means we need to find one information in any of the triangles. Let's say we do it in triangle PQR. If you see in that triangle PQR, we know the measure of two angles. Can we find the measure of the third? Yes. What do we know about the angles? We know that sum of all the angles of a triangle is always 180 degree. That means we can say that angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to how much? It is nothing but it is equal to 180 degree. Beautiful, right? That is what we know. Angle P, we don't know. Keep it as it is. How much is angle Q? It is 80 degree. Substitute that. How much is angle R? It is nothing but 30 degree. That is equal to 180 degree. What we have? Now angle P remains as it is. Now we know angle, that is 80 degree plus 30 degree together would give you how much? It is nothing but 110 degree. That is equal to 180 degree. Now 110 degree can be shifted onto the right hand side. We shift it onto the right hand side. So what happens? It is nothing but minus 110 degree. So we have 180 minus 110, that is nothing but 70 degree, right? Beautiful. So angle P is 70 degree we got, correct? This is the information which we got. Now if you look at both the triangles there, we have angle D is equal to angle P. Yes or no? Yes. Those two triangles we have angle D equal to angle P. Why? Because we know angle, each of those angles is nothing but 70 degree. Right? The same way if you see the next one, angle E is equal to angle Q. Why is angle E equal to angle Q? Because we know that each is 80 degree. That means here we can say that both the triangles are similar, and they are similar to each other by, yes, by which criteria? They are similar to each other by AA criteria of similarity. So we can just mention that it is by AA similarity criterion we get the triangles to be similar. Wasn't that easy? Simple, right?